Actually, malaki ang markup kasi ang production cost per kilo is 44 pesos and 50 centavos. And you can sell it in the market for 100 pesos per kilo. So meron kang markup na 50 plus na per kilo. Malakas ang market ng fingerlings. Marami kumukuha ng fingerlings. Sa capital investment, malaki ang mai-invest, especially sa, for example, sa 1 hectare of earthen pond na grow tilapia. Ang capital investment initially nasa 2 million in 1 year yon. Pero that includes the acquisition of land, digging of ponds, the construction of dikes, installation of pipes para sa mga water supply and drainage. Kasama doon lahat. Kasi there are 2 cycles ng grow out of tilapia in 1 year. Every 4 months ang culture period. So in 4 months sa grow out, possible yung net income na 150 to 200,000 every 4 months. Ang payback period nasa 3.2 years. Kung may lupa na sila, ang assuming na ang acquisition cost ng 1 hectare of land is 500,000. So kung sa 2 million, less 500,000, 1.5 million. Yun ang initial capital investment. Now, ang payback period niya nasa 2.5 years. Now, after that, kasi yung mga na-invest na mga equipment, meron niyang depreciation, meron siyang economic life na tatawag. Like for example, the water pump, economic life niyan is 10 years. Yung flatbed na timbangan, economic life niyan is 25 years. Or the following year ng operation, ang magiging expenses mo na lang is yung ipapakain sa isda, yung mga fertilizer, feeds, labor, and electricities. So, as the grow out period of tilapia culture, nagpapatuloy siya, maganda yung takbo na negosyo, naalaga mabuti mga isda, a fish farmer can expect a bigger income. Entrepreneurs are also encouraged to set their hatcheries, makakapag-produce ang isang breeder ng 200 to 300 fingerlings per breeder. So kung meron kang 1,000 breeder, you can produce 300,000 to 500,000 fingerlings. Viable. Ang kulang kasi dyan, kailangan lang kasi dyan proper aquaculture management. Kasi pag napabayaan niya yung kanyang hatchery or grow-out business, doon nagkakaroon ng problema. So it all falls into the proper aquaculture management. So sa marketing naman, wala nang problema kasi although hindi siya ganun kabilis, ka-in demand sa mga ibang tao, pero in some parts of Luzon and in Mindanao, in demand pa rin ang tilapia. Maabot ang fingerlings namin ito hanggang Mindanao, hanggang Cotabato, hanggang Davao, maabot. For somebody who wants to start a hatchery business, first, pwede siya pumunta dito para kumuha ng technical assistance. Magpunta yung mga engineer namin dito para tignan yung lugar niya kung feasible na magtayo doon ng hatchery or grow out. And then our engineers will design a fish pond for grow out and for hatchery for free yun. Magdi-design ang mga BFAR engineers.